Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Calculus problems like this are fast to solve with the right theorem. Let's break down this continuous function graph together right now. First, we identify that the function is continuous everywhere. We are given a local maximum at -3, 5 and a local minimum at 4, -2. Let's go! Since the function is continuous, it must pass through every y value between 5 and -2. This means the graph has to cross the x-axis at some point in between them. The intermediate value theorem guarantees an x-intercept because 0 is between our y values. That makes option D the winner. You totally got this. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given info and check steps.